to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. My name is Zoe Patience, and today I am going to try, see this hair, look at how stubborn my hair is. I'm going to try and slick it down. I am going to try and make it all go to sleep and not wake up for a very long time. And I've never done this before, so it's gonna be my first time. I'll be showing you everything that I'll be using, and yeah, I hope I get it right. Like I'm really hoping that I get it, because this hair is so stubborn and I have never done this in my life before. I've never had anyone do it for me, and I've never done it myself. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I hope I do well, because what I have that I'm going to use is my hair food if needed. I'm going to use my dread and bread spray just to moisturize. I'm going to use my water with amla oil. This is water mixed with amla oil to moisturize my hair. And I have my soft and free styling gel, Style and Shine. And I'll also use my long and lasting leave-in conditioner and curl activator.
Now, so to speak, now come a little closer. Track. I felt a bit of bad, but I came back. There's still a little light in the light crack. There's still a bit of good, so good. And I know just what to say. And I know just what to do. And I'm so sick of pain. But it's all too quick. No, I can't seem to find, but I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take a time and choose whether we green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose, whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. Sometimes, honey, me, you put a little bit of gasoline. I burned out, so to speak. Now come a little closer. Here's some disclosure. Do you mind to quit your pretending? Truth or false, the shit never ending. Hear me now and stop condescending. You see, I'm begging, you hear me begging. If you're sick for love, don't try to hide it. Find it deep inside and try to hide it. If there's a way, I wanna know we tried it. Quit your games and now that you denied it. Losing this game, I can't afford to be losing this game. And I know you're the safest bet. Losing my mind, can't find the words. No, I can't seem to find, but I'm really trying again. Reason, rhyme, and take a time and choose whether we're green or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose, whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello. I got room and make amends, but can't go through the same regrets. It could feel so good on mine. Not about love, again. And I know you're the safest bet. Or yellow, whether we deep or shallow. Please me now, 'cause we're about to lose, whether we buy or hello, whether we stay or jello.
Popping on the west side, 'cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. Popping on the west side, 'cause that's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case. I can't wait no more, man, I gotta blow today. I'ma blow what they say. Need a blue face, I've been caring about a race. I've been trying to eat, I need more than just a taste. Now they trying to talk, oh no, they should know their place. Man, I'm ballin'. This ain't cap, baby, now I feel like calling. From the O, but I got the music poppin'. All the time, man, it started to get obnoxious. Now I gotta drive down, feeling nauseous. Gotta drive top down, then I hop out. I've been feeling hot now, feeling like the man, I'm my own boss now. Telling all my exes, now they getting crossed out. Been on the west side, cause it's where I stay. I just made 1,000, blew it in your face. I've been going in, I'ma close the case.
Okay guys, so I am done and this is the finished look. I mean, you can see that I applied gel on my head, but it's not exactly slick, is it? It's like yeah, this is what I did, and then I left my hair here. Maybe I'm gonna do that, a little bit of a thing there. I'm not very excited about this. I used like almost the whole jar of the gel on this, so I'm not really sure what went wrong. I don't know if it was me and my brushing technique, or if it was the gel that I used, because I've never seen anyone do a tutorial with soft and free hair gel, styling gel. I'm just confused. I'm just trying to understand what I did wrong. But on the other hand, I'm proud of myself because I did something, and you can see a little bit of wave there. You can see something. So yeah, at least now I know that my hair can be obedient when it wants to. It can try to slip. So yeah guys, I didn't even want to do like the whole makeup and glam finished look, because it's not exactly what I wanted, but it's something. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. This is what I got. This was my first time ever. Why am I shouting? And I was literally sweating because this was hard stuff. This is some hard stuff, but I'm gonna keep practicing and I'm gonna get better at this. And pray for my hair, please. Yes, thank you. And yeah, if you would like to see more hair experiments, if you'd like to see me do more stuff with my hair, please let me know and I'll make more videos for you, because what you want is what I make. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, give a comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Because loving is so